Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to design a gradient overlay poster. Start with a blank canvas and fill it with smooth gradient, and then add your main image in black and white. Now set the blend mode to overlay or soft light and adjust the opacity to create a subtle color blend. Then insert bold text at the center and also apply gradient overlay effect on text for harmony. Use shape tool to add simple design elements and apply blur for depth in background. Now add noise for film textures and also use color balance to imbalance. Insert small logo or tagline below. Apply vignette for focus and merge adjust brightness slightly. Your poster now looks clean.